Good morning, this is Todd Shea at the La Crosse National Weather Service with a quick update here on Mother's Day for the risk of strong to severe thunderstorms that are expected later today, with the threat being damaging wind and hail. Overall, the severe weather threat has lowered a little bit from the last couple of days. Regarding our outlook for today, here is the severe thunderstorm outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, which shows again the higher risk of severe weather to the west across the Missouri River Valley, parts of western Iowa, and into neighboring states, with a lower risk as you work your way northeast into parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. A little bit zoomed in closer to home here, our risk level is later this evening from generally 7 p.m. to midnight. But again, that higher risk of severe weather remains off to our southwest. With some of these stronger storms that move into the area later today, there is a threat for some damaging wind and hail. And again, the risk level of severe weather overall has been trending lower across our area. As far as what the radar might look like later today, here's some simulated thunderstorm radar imagery from mid-afternoon or so, showing some of the thunderstorm activity blowing up across parts of South Dakota and into western Iowa. And then as we go into the evening, again, some of these storms could work their way into the area with the threat for hail and damaging wind primarily across parts of southeastern Minnesota, northeast Iowa, and parts of southern Wisconsin. So what we would advise people today is just to monitor the weather conditions a little closer, especially as we go into the evening hours. Remember though, even the non-severe storms that move in later today do pose a lightning threat, so always safer to move indoors and listen for later watches and warnings. You can monitor the weather conditions by checking our webpage out at weather.gov/lacrosse or viewing some of our social media input that we'll be keeping updated throughout the day.